Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My last update about Twist of Fate was how Abby went to search for how the food got poisoned at the party, and he realized that it was Rhea that did it, and he got angry with Rhea and he slapped Rhea. And Pallavi went to meet Pragya to learn how to make the coffee that Abby loves best. So that was what we looked at the last time, and if you are yet to watch that, I will leave it up in the card as usual, and it will be in the description box below. Please make sure you check it out and watch it before you watch this one. Let's continue from there. Mira helped Rhea pack for the college trip, and she told Rhea to try and make peace with Prachi during the college trip so that her father can forgive her. Rhea asked that will her father truly forgive her if she stopped fighting with Prachi, and Mira said yes, and Rhea promised Mira that she would not fight with Prachi during the college trip, and Mira was happy and she hugged Rhea. In Pragya's house, Pragya was helping Prachi and Shahana pack their bag for the trip as well, and Pragya told Prachi that when she is on the trip, she should not get into any fight with Rhea and that they should enjoy the trip instead. Prachi promised not to get into any fight with Rhea, and Shahana comes there and told Prachi that they need to go so that they would not miss the bus taking them to the trip from the college. In the Mera house, Rhea went to tell Abby that she is leaving for the college trip, but Abby doesn't want to speak with Rhea and he told her to leave. Rhea got angry and she blamed Prachi for making Abby behaving badly towards her, and she promised herself to punish Prachi for that. Mira saw Rhea leaving and she told Rhea not to forget her promise of reconciling with Prachi. Prachi and Shahana were on their way to the college and their taxi broke down because of fuel. Shahana was about to pick a fight with the taxi man concerning the payment, but Prachi calmed Shahana down. When Prachi and Shahana were looking for another taxi, Rhea's car was passing and the driver stops for Shahana and Prachi. Rhea insulted Prachi and Shahana, saying that they only got scholarships to study at the college and not to sit in her car, so she would not give them a lift. Rhea then scolds her driver for stopping to pick Prachi and Shahana, and she told the driver to drive on, leaving Prachi and Shahana stranded on the road. Rhea got to the bus taking them on the trip, and when the teacher saw that Prachi and Shahana were too late, the bus leaves. In the Mera house, Abby considered paying a visit to Prachi's mom, and he asked Mira about Prachi's mom. Mira said that she wants Abby to meet Prachi's mom even if it is once, because she has also visited the family a couple of times and they are really nice. Vikram comes there and told Abby that they have an important business meeting that morning and Abby can visit Prachi's mom later. Abby then decided to go for the meeting first and visit Prachi's mom after the meeting is done. Prachi and Shahana eventually got to the college, and Shahana was very happy that they came early because they did not see others there. But Aryan came there and told Prachi and Shahana that they have mixed the box because others has gone. Prachi and Shahana were shocked, and Rambril got there with a jeep to pick Aryan so that they can go on the trip together with the jeep. And Aryan asked Prachi and Shahana to enter the jeep so that they can all go together. Shahana eagerly entered the jeep and Prachi was reluctant at first, but when Prachi finally decided to get into the car, Rambril moved the car and Prachi was about to fall. Prachi got angry and had a fight with Rambril, and Rambril said that he would only allow Prachi to enter the car only if Prachi can tell him sorry and thank you. Prachi said she would not say it, and after a lot of fight, Prachi thought she cannot leave Shahana alone, so she decided to tell Rambril sorry and thank you, and she entered the car. In Pragya's house, Sarita knocks on the door and Pragya opened the door without asking who was at the door, and Sarita entered and told Pragya to always ask and confirm who is at the door before opening the door because there are a lot of thieves in the neighborhood. Pragya said that she is bold enough to handle any thief, and Sarita told Pragya that she is going for a wedding and she would come back late, and she leaves. Rhea and the rest of the students arrived with the college bus to the camp. Rhea told her friends that she is really happy seeing the natures of the camp, and the best part is that she is very happy because Prachi and Shahana did not make it to the camp. Rhea picked her favorite tent first, and the other students were annoyed with Rhea because they got to the tent first but Rhea stole it from them, and they wish that Prachi is here now to teach Rhea a lesson because it is only Prachi that knows how to put Rhea in her place. Prachi was scared when Rambiru was driving too fast for her liking, but there's nothing she can do because Rambiru is very stubborn. Ria and her friends has wandered away instead of hearing the principal telling the other students the camp rules. The principal told the students that according to the camp rules, all the students have to stay at the camp for 3 days as a family, and they all have to wake up on time to go for morning trekking with the trainer, and nobody should go anywhere alone because there are wild animals around. Abby was talking to Vikram that he needs to go and see Prachi's mom. Vikram said that there is one more business meeting that Abby needs to attend, but Abby doesn't want to attend any meeting and he told Vikram that he would go and see Prachi's mom alone. The secretary asked, "Alone?" And Abby asked Vikram that what does the secretary mean. Vikram said that maybe the secretary is thinking that there is something between Abby and Prachi's mom, and Vikram asked Abby not to mess with Prachi's mom. Vikram said that he has met Prachi's mom once, and when Prachi's mom was scolding him, he felt like Prachi's mom is a sister to him, and Prachi's mom is a perfect creation of God, and he thinks that Prachi's mom is even God's model. Abby said that the only person he knows to be the perfect creation of God is Pragya, and he is committed to Pragya only, and he would not try anything stupid with Prachi's mom, and he leaves. Rambiru drove the jeep, that is Indian jeep though, into the camp, and the principal scolded him for coming late and using his father's car as show off. Rambiru said that he came late because he saw Prachi and Shahana helping a lady that was involved in an accident on his way, and he decided to help them, and he took the lady to the hospital before they now started coming to the camp. The principal asked Prachi if what Rambiru said is true, and Prachi said that no, that Rambiru is lying. Rambiru said that Prachi is still in shock and that was why she said no, and Rambiru told Prachi not to worry because the woman will be fine. Shahana supported Rambiru and told the principal that Rambiru is right, and the principal asked everyone to clap for Rambiru for his bravery, and everyone clapped. Later, Rambiru and Prachi had a fight and Rambiru vows never to help Prachi again. Meanwhile, Ria returned to the camp and heard that no one is supposed to wander around because they are wild animals, and Ria told her friends to act as if they did not go anywhere and as if they listened and knows all the camp rules. Ria was surprised to see Prachi and Shahana at the camp and she got angry. Aryan asked Rambiru to look at Ria, and Rambiru told Aryan that he would propose to Ria later using his guitar, and he is sure that Ria would never be able to reject him. Mira called Pragya and told her that Mr. Mehra would be visiting her today, and Pragya said okay because she even wanted to thank Mr. Mehra for making the principal cancel Prachi's suspension. Later, Pragya saw a man wandering around the neighborhood covered in blankets, and she remembered what Sarita said about thieves in the neighborhood. Abby got to Pragya's house and he saw the door opened, and he peeped in and asked if anyone is at home. Pragya couldn't recognize Abby's voice because Abby's voice sounded harsh because he has cold. Pragya approached the door cautiously and she quickly closed the door thinking it was a thief that was at the door. The light goes off and Pragya went to the kitchen to get the lamp, and Abby went back to his car since nobody is opening the door. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye guys.